The idea is that I won't buy another pair until I've worn all my unworn shoes at least once. Okay, so I said I wasn't buying any more shoes, right? But hear me out. I did put an asterisk in there to say that if I did find one of my luxury items, like luxury wish list items, then yes, I would, because I would know that's an opportunity that I would forever miss if I didn't take it then. And so I bought another pair of shoes, but this is a work of art. This is a piece of art. This is just something absolutely incredible. I'm not good at doing unboxings. I could never figure them out. So you just have to hear and see the papers being rustled. Yeah, this piece of art, hopefully you will understand why this one had to be done. Ta-da! Can you see this shoe with focus for me, focus. Appelle moi. This is the Appelle moi pump. This you can't quite tell, but this is like a little triangular little entrance over there. Let's just take a moment. Let us just take a moment for this piece of art, this architectural piece of art. Okay, so that's this one over here, and it has, so the box had 2 dust bags. And where did I get this from? I bought this from Wishlist Collective, and it was the most expensive shoe I have ever purchased, but it came at the right time, because I had no self-control then, and I saw the opportunity and I could not pass it by, because this is one of those shoes that I never thought I would actually get my hands on, but since, yeah, I was like, let's do it. Piece of art. And I knew I tried them on once. Well, I tried a size too big for me and they were comfortable. I remember that, so I was like, okay, this will actually be wearable. It won't just be a decorative piece, beautiful as it is. It will actually be wearable. So anyway, this is the Appelle moi pump. Let's try and do a review as much as we can. I did get this from Wishlist Collective, and if you can still see here, brand new. These were expensive. I will not bore you with the prices. Google it. And it was pretty close to the original price. So absolutely stunning. Do I have any regrets? No. I believe money is for spending, and so I spent it. And I am ridiculously happy to have gotten my hands on this luxury wishlist item, which I thought would actually never happen. Yeah, so I got them brand new in their original packaging and everything like that. Anyway, put one down, Gladys, and figure yourself out. Okay, so sizing 39, my size, no problems. Well, actually, when I did first try them, my toes were a little bit squished there. So what I have ended up just doing is putting this in there, trying to keep the shape. And when I retried them again, like 2 days later, they were fine. So it's just to keep the shape. For me to be comfortable in this size 39, I just have to keep the stuffing in the little toes. But yeah, otherwise sizing is fine. It's just my little toes. 39. Absolutely. Like I don't know where I'm going with this. Comfort. Again, it's that same situation that my toes were a little bit and then I fixed them, and so now that they fit properly, they're very comfortable. Mind you, I haven't actually worn them outside of the house, but from what I've worn on the carpet, it's pretty comfortable. I would give it about the 7.5 points, because I don't know how they would be for long wear, but height is not too bad. It's looking like 100 mm kind of thing situation. Just imagine this as a wedge. My hand there is the other part, so this is just like a regular wedge, so it's not so extreme, but because it's missing a lot of the wedge, it is a very interesting heel. Yeah, so I would say it's actually relatively comfortable, but let's just give it 7.5 just to be safe. If it goes up more, I will let you know. Yeah, styling up and down. I think I've always said the same thing about styling any of the shoes. You can style them however way you want to style them. I would want to make these the center of the outfit naturally. So I think I would style something relatively simple or one colored or something like that. I probably wouldn't get it to my ankle level, maybe a dress. I'm always a dress person. I'm wearing a dress right now. So I would wear something that would then allow for the shoes to be like, hello, I am here. Appelle moi. Is that call me? I think that's what I googled and found out that's what it means. Anyway, absolutely love these shoes. Look, this is probably not a proper review because I have not worn them out, and I can't tell you too much, but I just wanted to unbox, so to speak, and show you the wonder that I found, that took all my money, but that I'm very happy with. Yeah, so I found one of my very rare luxury wishlist items. So excited. And this, you will get tired of, you will get so sick of this shoe, but I'll be happy to get you sick of this shoe. So anyway, yeah, that's the Appelle Moi pump from Saint Laurent in a size 39. Yeah. Catch you in the next one.